Hello, welcome to the Claims app. To submit your claims expense, go to My Receipts to upload your expense receipt. And then go to My Expenses to create an expense. First, key in the expense name as well as the merchant that you're submitting the claims for. Then key in the total receipt amount that you're submitting the claims for and select the transaction date. Select the policy that you're submitting these claims for and key in the claims amount. Upload the receipt that you have just submitted and select the policy group that you have been allocated. Press submit to submit your claims expense. And that's it. You have submitted a claims expense on Talenox.